Hi, we're going to be doing a typical installation in an apartment building. This happens to be in downtown Berkeley, California. In this case, the client hasn't moved in yet. I want to show you the tools I used to make this an easy job. Number one, I like a oscillating saw. This makes cutting the cavity for strikes very easy. A power drill, bits, a screwdriver, and a Leatherman or multi-tool is very nice for cutting and stripping wires. The first thing we're going to do is a site assessment. The Open Sesame system is flexible enough that you can usually do this sight unseen. It's very helpful to get photographs from cell phones and things like that in advance of coming out. We're going to look at the doorknob set. This is unlocked from the inside. That's ideal because someone can get out quick. But this door handle is lockable, and that's what we want to maintain, the lock state, to maintain security. But the electric strike will release the door even though the door handle does not turn. Next, let's look at the door. This is a right-hand hinge door. The operator will be mounted up here, and this has spring-mounted hinges which will have to be disabled because they'll interfere with the free movement of the Open Sesame door operator. Of course, we'll need power. On this door, it's particularly convenient because the door outlet is right down here. Sometimes the transformer we're going to be installed is as much as 20 feet away. Could be run along the baseboards or even plugged into the roof behind the refrigerator in this case. Now we're going to assess the door frame and the strike area. This is the manual strike. It will be removed and replaced with the electric strike, which enables the door to be electrically released by remote control. We will show a more typical strike installation also. Now we're going to open the box and start the installation. We're going to make sure everything is in the box. This is the electric strike. This is the keyless entry system. This is our installation low voltage wiring kit. And here's the remote control we're going to be using. And here is the Open Sesame door operator. Now we're going to open up the Open Sesame unit, and I'm going to show you some of the features and adjustments. This is the built-in battery that allows the operator to work during a power outage. This is the motor. This is the clutch that enables the door to move freely when not operating in the power mode. This is the door sensor that we'll be adjusting that indicates when the door is closed. And this is the circuit board. This is where the radio receiver comes in. These are the strike connections, and these are the power connections. This is the on and off switch. This is the test button that allows you to activate the unit without the remote control, so that way you can know whether the remote control is not working or whether it's a problem with the Open Sesame. And this is the program button, which allows you to train new remote controls without opening up the box. This is something that the consumer can do with help that does not require an expert to use a new remote control. This is the radio receiver antenna. This is the Open Sesame flex cord. This brings power in from the transformer and brings power out from this unit to drive the electric strike. It's a very simple, quick 4-wire connection, and everything is color-coded. This will just plug into the RJ11 jack that you'll see mounted on the wall later.